I read an article which I've attached to this particular blog post with regard to the road workers making overtime as a result of the repetitive snowstorms that we've had this particular winter. I thought it would be interesting to create a little video regarding how you get paid when you're out of work if you've been injured in the course of your employment. Hi, I'm Sam Gaylord, and I'm managing partner of Gaylord Popp, and I thought it would be interesting to just provide some quick information regarding how you get paid when you're out of work. When someone gets injured in the course of their employment, they're entitled to receive medical treatment, which is paid for by the insurance company. They're entitled to get paid workers' compensation for being out of work, and then they're also entitled to an award for their injury. What you want to make sure is that if you're out of work, that your wage is being calculated correctly, especially if you are in the position where you're able to make a lot of overtime. Typically, the insurance carriers don't take into consideration overtime when they are calculating how much you should be paid for being out of work. So what you want to make sure is that you have your attorney contact the insurance company and or the employer directly, get a 26-week pay statement, which is basically asking them to provide your attorney the salary and earnings 26 weeks prior to the date of the accident. In New Jersey, that's how the workers' compensation statute calculates what your gross weekly wage is. They basically take the 26 weeks prior to the date of your accident, add it up, divide by 26, and that comes to your average gross weekly wage. Workers' compensation pays 70% of that gross weekly wage unless you have a contract or unless there's a collective bargaining agreement that basically allows you to receive your full pay. But if you are normally working for a private company, then your workers' compensation benefit is going to be 70% of your gross weekly pay. And again, you want to make sure if you're doing overtime that that gets calculated. If you have found this interesting, I would ask that you go to our website, www.gaylordpop.com, and or go to Facebook and give us a like. Thanks.